everyone, Smash here, bringing you a video of my home theater. In this video, I'll be showing you my home theater setup and layout. Well, let's begin. I currently have all Klipsch speakers in a 7.0 surround sound system. One center channel, two left and right front channels, two left and right side channels, and two left and right rear channels. All speakers are powered by the Onkyo receiver, and mounted to the charcoal black wall for display is the Sony Bravia TV. Included in my layout are some of my favorite props and movies for display. Set up as a 7.0, these speakers are set up as full range sound. Starting with the center channel is the Klipsch RP450C, built with a titanium tweeter, quad 5 1/4 spun copper ceramic cone woofer. These offer excellent clarity and sound. On the left and right, we have dual Klipsch R28F floor standing speakers, built with one horn loaded tweeter, dual 8 copper spun high output woofers. These speakers offer very good bass and excellent sound. At the rear of these speakers, they are set up as a bi-wiring configuration. Moving on to the left and right, we have the Klipsch RP250S, built with dual 5 1/4 titanium tweeter, provide excellent left and right sounds. At the rear, we have Klipsch R26F, built with 6 1/2 with a horn tweeter. These speakers provide excellent back surround. For display, we have Sony's 2015 flagship model TV, measuring at 75 inches. This is Sony's Bravia XBR75X940C. Ultra high definition TV with 4K resolution, 3D TV, powered by Android, 4 20-watt speakers with 2 subs. This TV provides excellent blacks, wide range of colors, and superb motion flow with 120 Hz refresh rate. Powering all the speakers, we have the Onkyo TX-NR1009. Built in 2011, this receiver offers 8 HDMI ports with 2 outs, 4K video upscaling, THX certified, Odyssey multi-EQ room correction, 9.2 channels with 135 watt per channel. Built in the wall is the mid-Atlantic rack. From the top, we have the Panamax M5400-PM. Playing all of our movies in the Blu-ray player, we have the Sony BDP S1700. And for all of our gaming, we have the Sony PlayStation 4 Pro. For comfort, we have the Broadway 3-seater power recliner with 2 center consoles. Made from solid wood and black bonded leather upholstery, these seats have dual cup holders per seat, center console for storing items. All seats power recline, makes it convenient to kick back and relax for a good movie or TV show. Having a look behind the display, we have an HDMI cable connected to the TV's arc to the wall plate. On the wall plate, we have 10 speaker cable outs, 1 HDMI port, 1 RCA for the subwoofer, 1 network port, 1 coax cable out, and 2 power conditioner ports. This massive Sony TV weighs at 125 pounds or 57 kilograms and is held by the Global Tone wall mount. This wall mount bracket easily swivels to left or right and can be adjustable up and down. Cables from the wall plate are right behind the wall, and behind this door we can see the back of the receiver. Behind the connections, we have the back surround, side surround, Front and left channels connected as bi-wire. Center channel. All cables are 14 gauge wire. On the top we have the Panamax and the power cable connected to the television. I'm going to show you a couple of clips. Please keep in mind this recording was recorded on a small microphone, so the audio and video quality is scaled down for this video. The second clip is from the movie Gladiator, playing on DTS format. It provides excellent sounds from the swords clashing and the bass from the tiger. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this video provides you with some useful information. Please leave your questions in the comment section and I'll try to get to it. Actually, I have one question. What do you think of my setup? If you like what you saw, please hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Please stay tuned. Just arrived is my new SPS PB16 Ultra subwoofer. Thanks again and enjoy the show.